What's up, guys? Dave with Fixin' for Fun. Tonight we're going to be working on my 1979, just kidding. We're working on my 2001 Ford Escape. So last time I did an oil change, the drain plug was stripped out, but I wiggled it around a little bit, cross-threaded it, and wound up getting it to stay in. It's not leaking oil, but it's time for an oil change, which means I have to fix the plug now. I wound up going NAPA. They sold an oversized drain plug, so it should just tap in and fix the issue. Let's find out together.
Okay, so as you can see, it's about there. This is tightening and it's just stripped, so I guess we're going to dump the oil and see what happens. Yeah, the new one is a little different. It's got like a, where are we going? It's got like a self-tapping taper to it, so we'll try it out and see what it does. The guy at NAPA said it'd work. We'll see if his NAPA know-how is correct. Let me see if I got the strength in my hands to get the oil filter off. Nothing like a little hot oil does the skin good. Oh yeah, it's got some crap in it. Okay, we're gonna let this drain for a few minutes and we'll be back. Okay, so we are back. So we're gonna get our filter on, then we're gonna put our plug in. So I always like to put a little bit of oil in the filter before I start. I don't bother filling it right up to the brim, but just a little bit. That way it gets it's a good starting point. That way it's not completely empty. Put too much in, it dumps out. It's going to dump out anyways, but okay, now it's time to try this plug. Now I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know if it's going to fall out and break. We're going to find out though real quick. So far I'm not. Gotta keep my hands out of the way so you guys can see. Well, it feels promising. Semi. If anyone's ever used one of these plugs, let me know in the comments. It definitely feels like it's cutting threads. That feels good. I guess we'll back it out and dump some oil in it and see if it flushes any chips out. Just as a preventative. Make sure there's nothing in there that's got to come out. I don't know if it's like a form tap and just forms them in there, or if it actually cuts. Either way, better safe than sorry. That's the motto today. We're going to go with it's a form. No chips at all, it's a form tap, okay. Rinse some of the dripping oil off, and that way if it's leaking, we will know. hopefully. We'll all know because I'll lose oil pressure and burn up the motor, but hopefully we can catch it before then. So all we gotta do now is fill it up.
So here we go. Let's get some oil in this bad boy. Make sure your funnel's fairly clean. I love this stuff. So I am not, I have no affiliation with them or anything, but I love this heavy duty oil stabilizer from Lucas. I put it in everything. Whether it helps or not, I don't know, but it makes me feel good. Anyways, once you're done, get off the ramps. I always like to drop it and check it. Make sure it's where it should be. It's in the safe range, so we're good to go.